Alright, Jambox breaks. It's the 10th of January, 12:10 a.m. Breaking 4 boxes here for Gus of 2015 Panini Hall of Fame. Gus is doing monster. Gus, I'll PM you a code too. I gotta make a discount code for you. You get $30 off your next purchase for winning that random. Good luck, my friend. I hate these boxes. Gus is going to hit big, man. I've been on fire. It's his turn. Gus used to hit big with me all the time with Chris Bryant's. Remember those days, Gus? He used to hit on my Chris Bryant's all the time. You need to come back so I can hit more than for you. Alright, first box. We got Hank Greenberg, Doug Harvey, Brooks Robinson etching Cooperstown. That is not numbered. We got a purple Sam Crawford. That is number 250. We got a 1-on-1 plate for you too, sir. And I think it's a Yankee. We got a Herb Pennock, number 275. There you go, sir. Phil Niekro. There's a PC card for you. Phil Niekro, 101. Yanks. Hall of Fame Chronicles, Black Plate, 101. Oh, it says Atlanta. Well, he's still a Yankee in my book. Alright. Wade Boggs. I'll save your autos till last. We got Bob Gibson, numbered 11 to 25. Lou Brock, 12 to 25. Nap LaJory. Andre Dawson on the auto. And Bruce Sutter on the auto. That stinks. It says Atlanta, man. Phil Niekro he was a Yankee, wasn't he? It looks like he's in the Yankees uniform in that picture. So there's your first box, sir. Or was it Joe Niekro? Wasn't there a Joe and a Phil Niekro? Weren't they brothers? I think they were both Yankees, actually. Box 2, sir. Come on, let's get Gus this damn Babe Ruth so I can shit my pants tonight. Got you another plate 101. I'm just pulling 101s out the ass tonight. Bob Feller, Roberto Alomar, Craig Biggio on the rainbow etched in stone or Cooperstown, number 225. Yeah, I know. Well, you want to save all the autos for the all 4? Bill Dickey, numbered 7 of 10. New York. We got Paul Molitor on the purple, numbered 3 of 50. 101 plate. Okay. Jim Bonham for St. Louis. So you got 2 101s now. Leo Dorscher, names of the game. We got Rod Carew, 15 of 25. 3 of 10 Al Kaline. And a Al Kaline. I'll save the autos to the end like you asked. Box 3. So 2 101s for you so far, man. This pack looks thick. We might have the cut, Gus. I might be wrong, but it looks thicker. No, but you got a jewel card. And now Gus's thing went out. You there? Charlie Gehringer, Wade Boggs, Robin Yount, and Paul Molitor etched in stone, or Cooperstone, sorry. We got a Ryan Sandberg, Andre Dawson, number 275. This is number to 10. We got Jim Bottomley on the jewel. Number to 10. Nice hit. St. Louis. Etched in Cooperstown. Greg Maddox playing golf. Put the autos to the side for you. Tony Perez, 32 of 35. John Smoltz, 12 to 25. Eddie Matthews. All right, man. Last box mojo. Don't think we got a cut auto, man. Bob Feller, Ricky Henderson, Archie Vaughn, Pittsburgh, etched in Cooperstown. Out of 50, we got a Bob Gibson. Does have a little bit of a bend down there. Next up, Brooks Robinson, Jackie Robinson. Put your autos to the side. Jeez, man. Frank Chance, 5 of 35. Did you see your jewel card to 10? Ricky Henderson, 8 to 25. 8 of 25. Ryan Sandberg, Frank Robinson. You hit a nice jewel card of Jim Bottomley, St. Louis, number to 10. Has a little bit of a blue jewel in there. That was the big hit in that box. And then we'll do your autos for you. You got 6 of them here. We got Paul Molitor, Gaylord Perry, Dennis Ecklesey, Tony Perez, GUS Gossage, and 22 of 49, Jim Rice. I just did the last one. Gus? Which one did you miss, man? You missed all 4 boxes? Is that what you're saying? Oh, yeah, that's all 4, man. Well, then you had the first 2 autos, too, and then you had 2 1-on-1 plates and then a jewel card. You had Andre Dawson and Bruce Sutter in the first box. You got 2 1-on-1 plates, a 10 jewel card, which is sick. No cut, man. Which means it's still in there. Like I said, I've seen 1 to 3 per case. I don't know if there's definitely supposed to be one, but I've seen a lot of these breaks a couple months ago. But it was overpriced a couple months ago, big time. They were like $130 a box. But I'm going to PM your code, Gus. You get $30 off. So thank you for breaking.